Coca Cola, the beverage giant, reported second quarter 2023 earnings on July 26, 2023. Revenue was up 6% to $12 billion, producing a gross margin of 59%, up 9%. A closer look at revenues by business shows EMEA with $2.2 billion in revenue, flat year over year. Latin American produced $1.4 billion, up 21%. North America clocked in $4.4 billion, up 8%. Asia Pacific reported $1.6 billion with no real change year over year. Global Ventures earned $765 million, up 10%. Bottling investments produced over $2 billion, down slightly by 2%. And the corporate business realized $30 million, up 24%. Returning to the financial highlights, operating income was up 3% to $2.4 billion or 20% of revenue. Income before tax was up 26% to $2.9 billion. In Q2 2022, the company reported a non-operating income charge of $350 million, causing the large year-over-year increase in EBT. Net income was up 33% to $2.5 billion. The non-operating income charge in Q2 made for the large year-over-year change. The enterprise value of Coca Cola stands at over $280 billion. Earnings per share were 59 cents, up 34%. Sales per share increased 6% to 2.8x. Cash per share was up 27% to 3.32 times. Book value per share stood at 6.35, up 7%. Coca-Cola's annualized PE is 26, where the S&P 500 is 25.83. PE growth is 0.77. The leverage ratios were slightly worse by 8%, with the debt ratio at 0.36 and debt equity at 1.29. Interest coverage at 6.42 shows the company is well covered. Liquidity ratios look good, with current assets better than current liabilities. The quick ratio at 0.82 is good, and cash to current liabilities at 0.60 is also a good ratio on the company's short-term liquidity. Coke's return on assets and equity are strong at 10% and 37% respectively. The company's cash flows are also positive. Operating cash flow at $4.6 billion, investing cash flow improved to negative $766 million. Financing cash outflow was just $1 billion. Coke's free cash flow was up 40% to $12.6 billion. The rock-steady dividend of Coca-Cola was 48 cents, growing 9%. The dividend yield was just over 3%.